UK FCA grants registration to crypto startup Crypterium. Crypterium's cryptocurrency wallet application is available in more than 170 countries, the company says. British cryptocurrency services provider Crypterium is the latest crypto firm to secure registration from the United Kingdom's Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. Crypterium officially announced on Monday that it has recently been registered by the FCA to provide cryptocurrency services to local citizens and companies, becoming one of few companies to have passed the registration process. According to data on the FCA's official website, Crypterium has been registered to operate certain crypto asset activities in compliance with the country's anti-money laundering (AML) regulations since October 11. The registration officially authorized Crypterium to continue providing its crypto wallet services, including crypto trading and payment services to practically everybody in the UK, the announcement notes. The registration is particularly important amid the upcoming Brexit measures, allowing Crypterium to provide the same level of functionality to U.K. businesses as in other supported countries. According to the announcement, Crypterium's crypto wallet application is available in more than 170 countries and has amassed over 400,000 clients since its launch. Becoming an FCA-registered firm is a fantastic opportunity. From now on, interested parties will view Crypterium in a new light, a company that puts user security and accessibility first. Not only do we provide an excellent set of services, but now we can show that these are done with full compliance of some of the toughest assessment criteria, Crypterium CEO Stephen Parker said. The firm noted that the FCA registration is extensive, taking 18 months of policies and processes assessment before approval is granted. The firm did not immediately respond to Cointelegraph's request for comment. By obtaining the FCA registration, Crypterium joins a handful of companies that the U.K. Authority has registered so far, including two firms affiliated with the Winklevoss twins crypto exchange, Gemini, Australian exchange CoinJar, crypto-friendly bank Ziglu, Archax, Diginex's Digivault and others. Earlier this year, the FCA warned against 111 unregistered crypto companies. Previously, 51 companies reportedly withdrew their licensing applications with the FCA amid strict local AML regulations. Competition drives young traders' crypto investments, says UK watchdog. Young investors assume the crypto market is regulated, new research by the Financial Conduct Authority reveals. Most young investors in the United Kingdom are entering the crypto market thanks to the hype on social media and news, but they are not aware that the market is not regulated, a new study published by the United Kingdom's Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, revealed. The survey revealed that a majority, 69%, of the investors under the age of 40 mistakenly believe that crypto markets are regulated. More than three-quarters, 76%, of young investors who put money on risky assets like cryptocurrencies, Forex or crowdfunding are driven by competition with friends and family. The financial watchdog surveyed 1,000 British investors aged between 18 and 40 who invested in high-risk investment products in a bid to promote its 5-year Invest Smart campaign, The Independent reports. Launched with a $15 million budget, £11 million, the campaign aims to raise awareness among young people about high-risk investments. The FCA estimates that more than 1 million investors in the U.K. have bought high-risk investments during the COVID-19 pandemic. The research found that more than half of the participants use social media, other people and news stories as key drivers when investing in specific products. While a majority prefer more stable returns than dramatic price movements, only 21% consider holding their most recent investment for more than a year. Commenting on the results, FCA Executive Director of Markets Sarah Pritchard stressed that more people are chasing higher returns with higher risks. We want to give consumers greater confidence to invest and help them to do so safely, understanding the level of risk involved, she added. The FCA survey follows John Cunliffe's remarks on crypto regulations. Cunliffe, Deputy Governor for Financial Stability at the Bank of England, urged regulators to pursue crypto as a matter of urgency. Cunliffe said that the price volatility of crypto assets could trigger margin calls on crypto positions, forcing leveraged investors to find the cash to meet them, leading to the sale of other assets and generating spillovers to other markets.